Now in this lesson we do some work on three-digit addition. Examples. Part A, 724 plus 239. So let's bring in some working space and write down our question. Now the plus sign, just always remember, okay, to look for that. Could be a plus, could be a minus, could be multiplication. To make sure that we know that in this case, yes, we're going to be adding. So starting from the units, okay, the right-hand side, the right-hand column, 4 plus 9 is 13. So we write our 3 down and carry the 1. Our next column, from the top, 1 plus 2 is 3, plus another 3 is 6. Our next column, 7 plus 2 is 9. So our answer there, 963. Too easy. Part B, 685 plus 297. Again, let's bring some working out space and write down the question. Again, make sure that we identify, yes, we are adding in this case. So 5 plus 7 is 12. Write the 2 down and carry the 1. Our next column, starting from the top, 1 plus 8 is 9, plus another 9 is 18. So we write our 8 down and carry the 1. Our next column, from the top, 1 plus 6 is 7, plus 2 is 9. So our answer there, 982. Terrific. Question C, 691 plus 543. Let's rewrite the question. There's a plus sign. Yes, we are adding. So here we go. 1 plus 3 is 4. 9 plus 4 is 13. Put the 3 down and carry the 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. Plus 5 is 12. So this time we'll just write the 12 down. So our answer there, 1,234. Excellent. Well, that concludes the lesson. Good luck with your questions.